NIA is currently in this very interesting zone, but will we now see rising prices or corrections downward? In this video, I will talk about the NIR protocol and share my price prediction for both the long term and the short term. Before we start with the content, join my free Telegram group. I share daily analysis on Bitcoin, NIA, and all other cryptocurrencies there. First link in the description. NIA protocol is currently ranked 18th among all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $5.8 billion. It is the largest AI coin in the crypto scene by market cap, and it is a really good project with extremely high potential. After the last all-time high, we saw this massive sell-off, and after we test these demands from here, where we saw the push in 2021, then we really got bullish momentum, ran into this supply zone, and then broke this upwards with momentum, which was a very bullish sign. And on the daily time frame, we can see that we are clearly in a bullish trend with higher lows and higher highs. And after the last high at around $9, we saw another retracement back into this demand zone where we started the breakout at that time. And we have also tested the last high here, which means we had a high here and tested it here with this demand zone broken. And when we corrected again, we have him tested again and then saw bullish price action again. And in the current movement, we saw a correction and again tested this last high here. This means that the chance is high here that we will continue the bullish trend upwards. And even if we use the Fibonacci retracement level, we can see that we are between the 0.618 and 0.786 Fibonacci. That means the probability that we have a trend reversal area here and can continue the bullish trend is very, very high. If we now see bullish price action and break out from this demand zone, then the chance is high that we will reach those last high situations, and then it will be decided how we react to the supply zone here, because from these highs we have experienced massive selling pressure twice. And if we come in here, the chance is high that we will first see a bearish hill rejection. If we sustainably break through this to the upside and find bullish acceptance, then the chance is high that we will see a bullish explosion. And then the next target would be around $13 at this last high, and of course the last all-time high here at around $20.64. And the best coins will also explode past the last all-time high, and I think NIA has the potential to do so. In order to break through this, and if we use the Fibonacci tool here again, we get the next interesting price targets. And I think that NIA, as I said, is a very good project and that we can at least reach the 2.618 Fibonacci level at $52. And a truly bullish price target would be $72 at the 3.618 level. And from the current prices to the first price target, we would have a potential of over 850%. And with the higher price target, we would even have a potential of 1200%, and I think that would be a very good deal. As I said, NIA is one of the biggest coins, and I see a very high chance that this coin will prevail, so I think we could reach these price targets. These are now price predictions from the current prices, and of course one should never go all in on a coin, but I think this is a very good coin for any portfolio. For the bull run, that is, in the long term, I am very bullish on NIA, and in the short term, it is now important that we break through this last high here, because from this last high, we have seen a bearish impulse here, tested this last high again, and if we should now break these last highs to the upside, then a bullish order flow is formed, and then the chance is also high that we will return to the upward trend. That means I think if we leave this area and retest it, that means retesting this last high here, then it would be a perfect entry point. To get into the trend, both at the spot level and at the trade level, and if you don't want to miss any trades from me, join my exclusive Signal group. Here, I share all my trades in real time and also my crypto spot purchases. Second link in the description. As I said, if we break this area downwards, I think we will see lower prices. Otherwise, I think we will definitely continue the bullish trend from this zone. So guys, thanks for watching. I wish you good luck trading and see you in the next video.